Good morning, students. Welcome to you all in chemistry class. Next true solution is suspension. After true solution, the next type is suspension. Suspension, for example, chalk powder, and water. In this case, solute particles do not dissolve in solvent. They remain suspended throughout. Chalk powder as a solute and water as a solvent. Now, suspension is homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture?
Heterogeneous.
Heterogeneous.
Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. Yes, Narinder Kaur, what is heterogeneous mixture?
Ma'am, it is a type of mixture in which the boundaries of separation can be seen.
So suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. First property note कीजिए बेटा suspension की. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. Second property of suspension, the particles of a suspension can be seen by naked eye. क्या आप यहाँ पे solute के particles देख पा रहे हो?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. So particles of suspension can be seen. Third property of suspension, the solute particles settle down when suspension is left undisturbed. अब ये chalk powder plus water है, अगर आप इसको थोड़ी देर के लिए रख दो ऐसे ही तो क्या होगा कि जो chalk के particles है वो settled हो जाएंगे. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The solute particles settle down when suspension is left undisturbed. It means it is unstable. अगर वो settle down हो जाते हैं solute particles तो हम क्या कहते हैं कि वो क्या है? Unstable. अगर solute particles settled हो जाते हैं तो हम कहते हैं वो क्या है? Unstable. अगर settled नहीं होंगे तो हम क्या कहेंगे वो क्या है? Stable. True solution क्या था? Stable. So third property, the solute particles settle down when a suspension is left undisturbed. It means suspension is unstable. Solute particles can be separated from mixture by the process of filtration. हम यहाँ पे कौन सी एग्जांपल डिस्कस कर रहे हैं सस्पेंशन की?
Ma'am, the process.
And water. अब जब हम चॉक पाउडर और वाटर के मिक्सचर को फिल्टर करेंगे तो क्या उसमें से चॉक पाउडर सेपरेट हो जाएगा वाटर से बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
आफ्टर फिल्ट्रेशन द रेजिड्यू ऑन द फिल्टर पेपर क्या होगा? चॉक पाउडर और यहाँ पे क्या होगा? क्लियर सॉल्वेंट दैट इज वाटर. Suspension is of chalk powder and water. फिल्टर किया तो फिल्टर पेपर के ऊपर क्या रह गया? चॉक पाउडर और यहाँ पे क्या है? क्लियर सॉल्वेंट दैट इज वाटर. Solute particles can be separated from the mixture by the process of filtration. Next property of suspension, the particles of suspension scatter a beam of light and make its path visible. Particles of suspension scattered a beam of light passing through it and make its path visible, and this effect is known as
Tyndall effect.
very
Tyndall
good.
effect.
and when the particles settle down, the suspension break and it does not scatter the light anymore. अब chalk powder है water में, ये suspension है, लेकिन जब आपने इसको थोड़ी देर के लिए रख दिया तो chalk particles settled हो गए bottom पे, chalk particles क्या हो गए यहाँ पे settled हो गए, ठीक है। अब ऊपर solution क्या है, clear solvent है। अब solvent जब clear है, उसमें कोई suspension नहीं है, chalk particles नहीं है, क्या अब इस solution में से light scattered होगी? No, there is no scattering of light now. When the particles settle down, suspension क्या हो जाती है, breaks, and it does not scatter light anymore. Note कीजिए बेटा ये दो properties. So particles of suspension scatter a beam of light passing through it and make its path visible. Means it shows Tyndall effect. And when the particles settle down, the suspension breaks and it does not scatter light anymore. So these are the properties of suspension. Repeat करते हैं बेटा. First property of suspension, suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. Second, particles of suspension can be seen by the naked eye. Third, suspension is unstable, means the solute particles settle down when the suspension is left undisturbed. Next property, the solute particle can be separated from the mixture by the process of filtration. The particles of suspension scattered a beam of light passing through it and make its path visible. But when the particles settle down, it does not scatter the light anymore. Next is colloid. Colloid, for example, is given one example of colloid. Yes, Pratham Kumar, give one example of colloidal solution.
Ma'am, chalk powder and water.
Chalk powder and water is example of suspension.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ridya Sharma.
Ma'am, example of colloid is fog or cloud.
Yes, Narendra Kaur, give one example of colloidal solution.
Ma'am, for example, milk.
Milk. It appeared to be homogeneous, but actually it is a heterogeneous mixture. Note कीजिए बेटा, colloid is heterogeneous mixture. The size of particles of colloid is too small to be seen by the naked eye. The next property of colloid, colloids are big enough to scatter a beam of light passing through it and make its path visible. Means it shows Tyndall effect, that is scattering of light. First property, it is a heterogeneous mixture. Second, the size of particles of colloid is too small to be seen by naked eye. Then the third is there is a scattering of light, that is Tyndall effect. Next property, the solute particles do not settle down when left undisturbed. If there is a no settling of particles, mean it is a stable. अब आपने मिल्क एंड वाटर को यहाँ पे रखा और क्या उसमें से सल्यूट पार्टिकल सेटल्ड हो जाएंगे? नो, इट मींस इट इज स्टेबल and cannot be separated from the mixture by the process of filtration, and cannot be separated from the mixture. Solute particles cannot be separated from the mixture by the process of filtration. This line is very important. but a special technique of separation known as centrifugation. अब आप मिल्क में से क्रीम सेपरेट कर लेते हो बाय सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन. सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन होता है कि चर्निंग करते हैं फास्ट उसकी. स्पेशल टेक्निक आगे आप डिस्कस करेंगे हम आपके साथ सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन मेथड ऑफ सेपरेशन में. A special technique of separation known as centrifugation can be used to separate the colloidal particles. आप मिल्क में से क्रीम सेपरेट कर सकते हो, क्रीम में से बटर सेपरेट कर सकते हो by the process of centrifugation. But by the process of filtration, the solute particles cannot be separated from the mixture. So these are the properties of colloids. Note कर लीजिए बेटे, the properties of colloids. The components of colloidal solution. आपने true solution में कहा था two components होते हैं solute and solvent. And in colloidal solution there are two components, dispersed phase and dispersion medium. True solution के components क्या थे? Solute and solvent. And the component of colloidal solution are dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Solute-like component is dispersed phase and solvent-like is a dispersion medium. Solute-like component that is present in smaller amount or dispersed particle in colloidal form is dispersed phase. And the component in which it is suspended is known as dispersing medium or dispersion medium. What are the two components of true solution? Solute and solvent. And what are the components of colloidal solution? Dispersed phase and dispersion medium.
Medium.
This table is given in your NCERT book and it's very important. Solute like component कौन सा है? Dispersed phase and solvent like is dispersed medium.
Medium.
Solute means present in smaller amount and solvent means present in larger amount. Dispersed phase liquid and dispersion medium gas. And this type is known as aerosols. Examples: fog, cloud, mist. अब एग्जाम्स में आपसे एग्जांपल गिवन होती हैं और आपसे पूछा जाता है राइट द डिस्पर्स्ड फेज एंड डिस्पर्शन मीडियम ऑफ इट. राइट द डिस्पर्स्ड फेज एंड डिस्पर्शन मीडियम ऑफ क्लाउड्स. तो आप लिखेंगे लिक्विड डिस्पर्स्ड फेज एंड डिस्पर्शन मीडियम गैस. डिस्पर्स्ड फेज solid, dispersion medium gas, for example smoke, automobile exhaust. Then gas and medium liquid, for example shaving cream. Type form. Then liquid in liquid, that is dispersed phase liquid, dispersion medium be liquid, and it is known as emulsion. For example milk and face cream. Then solid in liquid, dispersed phase solid, medium liquid, and this type is salt. For example milk of magnesia and mud. Next, dispersed phase gas and medium solid. Type form. Examples foam, rubber. The next, liquid in solid. Solid यहाँ पे क्या है? Dispersion medium. Type gel. For example jelly, cheese, butter. Next, solid in solid. This is known as solid salt. Examples: colored gemstone and milky glass. कंप्लीट टेबल आप लर्न करेंगे विद एग्जांपल्स. So these are the components and examples of colloidal solution. Properties of true solution हमने क्या डिस्कस की थी? First, a solution is a homogeneous mixture. The particles of solution are smaller than 1 nanometer. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. So they cannot be seen by the naked eye. Because of very small size, they not scatter the beam of light passing through the solution, so the path of light is not visible in the solution. I mean, there is a no Tyndall effect. Solute particles cannot be separated from the mixture by the process of filtration. Last property हमने क्या डिस्कस की थी true solution में? The solute particles not settle down when the left undisturbed, mean it is a stable. Now properties of true solution, colloidal solution and suspensions are clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is clear to you, then write down the differences between true solution, colloidal solution and suspension. Differences between true solution, colloidal solution and suspension. First, particle size. True solution particle size less than 1 nanometer. Particle size less than 1 nanometer. In colloidal solution, particle size is between 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer. And in suspension, particle size more than 1000 nanometer. Write down these point of differences in your chemistry notebook. Next is appearance. True solution, clear and transparent. Colloidal, translucent. And suspension, opaque. Next बताइए बेटे क्या लिखा है हमने यहाँ पे?
Nature.
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 True solution, homogeneous.
Homogeneous.
Right. And colloidal solution,
Heterogeneous. Heterogeneous.
Heterogeneous.
very good. Very intelligent class. Suspension,
Heterogeneous.
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 next क्या लिखा बेटा यहाँ पे हमने? Tyndall effect.
Tyndall effect. Not
No
present.
Tyndall effect.
No Tyndall.
यहाँ पे Tyndall effect नहीं होता है. But colloidal
Tyndall
solution
effect.
Shows Tyndall effect.
What is Tyndall effect?
The
Scattering
scattering
of
light.
of beam of light.
Passing through the
Scattering of
scattering
beam of light.
Right, Richard. Then suspension
shows
shows
Tyndall effect.
Shows
Tyndall
Tyndall
effect.
effect.
right. Next is
Particles do not settle down.
Yes, it means it is a stable. Particles not settle down on stem. Right? And colloidal solution?
Quite stable.
Stable.
Stable. इसके particles भी settled नहीं होते हैं. Okay? The next,
Unstable.
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 Particles settle down.
Yes. Pratham Kumar, what do you mean by unstable?
Ma'am, that the particles will settle down when the solution or when the suspension is standing.
Next, visibility of particles. Particles not visible even under microscope. Visible under microscope.
Visible.
Right? Next, filtrability.
Cannot be separated from the mixture by
Cannot be filtered.
Shows no filtration.
Yes. Who will explain the filtrability through filter paper? Raise your hand. Narinder Kaur, roll number 36.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in a true solution, the particles can't be separated by filtration. In colloidal solution also, ma'am, the particles pass through filter paper.
Okay.
Ma'am, they are separated by the process of filtration in suspension.
Solute particles separated from solvent by the process of filtration or by using filter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pratham Kumar.
Yes, ma'am. In true solution, the solution get filtered, but the particles also get into the solution.
Okay, same. Kashish, roll number 31. Differentiate between true solution, colloidal solution, and suspension on the basis of filtrability. Yes, Kashish.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in true solution case, the particles pass through the filter paper and they do not get separated from the solution.
Okay.
And in the case of colloidal solution, the particles pass through the filter paper and do not get separated from the solution. But in case of suspension, the particles do not pass through the filter paper and they get separated from the solution.